Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic today is about arithmetic progressions. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that we have common difference that is about number 2. So we have d equals to number 2. The next thing we need to find Sn is the sum of n terms. So for this one, we apply the formula of arithmetic progressions, and that should be about Hn equals to n over number 2 multiplied by 2a number 1, that is about the first terms in here, plus n minus 1 d. So we know that d equals to number 2. And now number 2, we simplify it. And we have n multiplied by a number 1 plus n minus 1. So in this one, I will consider about the starting number. That means we have a number 1 in here. So if a number 1, that is about odd number. So a1 should be about number 1. So in this situation, we will have about 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 and so on until 2n minus 1. And we know that we put this number gone here. So a1 is about number 1. So we have n square. And now the sum of that square, that means we have 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square and so on until 2n minus 1 to the power of 2. This one we have this series in here. So after we have this one, we can put this one gone here. So this one, that is about for this one, and this one, that is about n square. So number 3 multiplied by this one and this one. So we simplify like this. So this one, we have 4n square minus 1. This one, we have negative 4n to the power of 3 plus n. And this one, we have negative n to the power of 3. And now we can do about factorization. So as you can see that this one and this one, they are not the same. So we can say we need to disprove. This is the end. Thank you for watching.